Adeline Renee Crochet. In this video, I'm going to be going over the materials you need to know and understand in order to crochet. This is video 1 in the Learning How to Crochet series. So if you're wanting to learn how to crochet, go ahead and subscribe and like and turn the bell on and all that stuff. So you can get notifications for when I have new videos. And I'm super excited to teach you how to crochet. Yay!
The two things you need to crochet are a hook and a skein of yarn. And as you can see here, yarn and the hooks come in different sizes, which we're going to learn today. Here's some yarn I had in my stash of yarn, and as you can see, there are different sizes and different textures. All right, let's take a look at this Bernat baby blanket yarn. So if you flip it over, you'll see these 3 little squares on the back of the label. This is going to tell you the size that the yarn is and the size knitting needles or crochet hook you would use with this yarn. And the same thing goes for any other skein of yarn. You're just going to flip it over, look at the size, and then look at what hook size it's telling you to use with that specific yarn. Sometimes I don't use the recommended size hook, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later, but there you go, super easy. Okay, let's talk about crochet hooks now. So crochet hooks range in sizes with decimals and with letters, ranging from smaller to bigger. As you can see here, here's mine. Some of them chewed by my dogs. And this hook, this is a letter P hook. It's a pretty large hook, and it's at 11.5.
So this is a baby blanket that I recently made, and I used Bernat baby blanket yarn. And as we saw before, this yarn is a size 6, and the label calls for an 8mm crochet hook. But I actually used my 11.5 letter P hook for this project because I personally like using this thick blanket yarn with this hook. Again, the rules aren't super hard and fast. You'll come to learn kind of preferences. I liked using a bigger hook for this project. But yeah, in general, you'll just read the label, look at the size of the yarn and the size hook. And then if you come to find that maybe you like using a larger hook than what the label says, there's no hard and fast rules. It's really all up to you and what you personally think looks best and what you personally prefer. But yeah, this was my most recent project with size 6 Bernat baby blanket yarn and my letter P crochet hook. But yeah, so until next time, that's our first little crochet lesson. Video 2 will go into some of the vocabulary you need to know before you learn how to crochet, and then we'll get started on learning the actual steps to crochet. Yay, which is exciting. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you again, and happy crocheting. Oh, that was lame. Okay, all right, bye guys.